create so many applications, and especially it is invented for biomedical industry also, or biomedical applications. Today we are going to see how we can use Unet with the help of image segmentation. Image segmentation is a process of dividing the image into multiple parts, and these images are used for enhance the one and used for further analysis also. Let's start the implementation of Unet with the help of Google Colab. So very simple and easy. It's a very basic thing. If you understand data, you can develop a number of applications or anything here. So first of all, we are going to install the packages like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and TensorFlow, CV2, Pillow, that is PAL, and so on. Then I am going to get the help of the dataset called Oxford underscore IIIT underscore pet dataset, and after downloading that dataset from internet, I'm going to use the functions like normalize. Here we are going to use the input image and input mask, and then we are going to normalize the pixel range values between 0 is 1. And remember, image segmentation using Unet, and the Unet comes under the category of semantic segmentation. Semantic segmentation in sense what? That is pixel by pixel classification. So what are the object in the image, it will be identified, and these are always use the encoding, decoding, and also what are the images that it generates the mask for prediction of output. And we are giving the line like writing the code. img is called tf.cast. We are giving in the bracket parameters like input underscore image, the data type, and so on. Then input mask we are assigning one like that, and we are using the load train and image mask again using the load test ds dataset. Then we are with the help of this one, what we are going to do, we are taken some sample image from the IIIT dataset. There will be a lot of animals images will be there, and going to create the segmented mask. Then we are assigning train length is called info.split of train.num underscores, and batch size by default 64, buffer size by default 1000, and so on. Then we are going to give the dataset and write the relevant lines, and display information we are writing input image comma true mask predictor image. Then we are giving the for loop also. With the help of this one we are going to generate the graph. Sorry, we are going to visualize the images, and we are writing in display images. So how we can display image? You can give like this only, sample underscore image followed by sample underscore mask, and so on. Then once you written the coding, it will display the image. So again saying this simple image, it may vary based on your data whenever you start to work with Google Colab or Jupyter also. So this is the image. That means the object. What is the object? The cat is there, and for that one the true mask, there will be a mask generated here. Then we can write the base model, generate the base model, followed by the parameters and lines. Then writing the code decoder lines and upsampling also. Then segmentation model, we are generating the function called segmentation model, followed by inputs and outputs and all the things, segmentation model like that. And we are ready to deal with the Unet. So we are writing the code like this. Then we are giving the after display images, we are using the line, write the line like this, and here, and we are going to generate the Unet. Then we are writing the decoder part, and after writing we are deal with the decoder only. Then we are going to see with the segmentation model and input outputs. Then create a mask. We are writing the program function called create mask, where we giving the information, and show predictions we are giving the data set none and num equal to 1, and followed by this if and else statement. So simple and easy. Once you give like this, show underscore predictions, it display the image, sample image, where we can see the input image, true true mask and predicted mask. So whenever I have a data set and what are the image, definitely convert check with the true mask one. So here to say like this, like so, really, and we are setting the inputs value training, and at last we are giving the compute matrix function for get the information IOE level and finishing the program. So this is a simple way how we can use Unet for image segmentation. I hope that you understand the video. If you like the video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.